So monsoon is finally in the NCR and many parts of India are likely to get a lot of rain. But the problem as far as mobility is concerned includes the disappearance of roads at many places. The problem is aggravated when one is not familiar with the route, and in that case, it's advisable to avoid the road which happens to be flooded. There might be unknown potholes or speed breakers that might trouble. One way to tackle such situations is to wait and watch and let other vehicles pass, but that may affect the traffic behind. Nevertheless, treating such situations depend entirely on you and of course the vehicle you are riding. Recently, while maneuvering the expressway, I encountered flooded underpasses. However, the savior was this person in his tractor. I was never having a doubt about the Thar's ability on such roads, but he was wise enough to wait and then proceed. And on such roads, keeping a continuous traction is the key, and never switch off or turn off the car's engine. The water wading ability is undoubtedly good because of a 200mm ground clearance in Thar. So judgment of waterlogged areas is a must before you accelerate and invite troubles for yourself. By the way, if at all your car stops in the midst of such a situation, never ever attempt to start the car, as that could lead to a hydrostatic lock. An engine is bound to suffer in general, and your pocket in particular. Cranking can add water to seep inside the engine and damage is unavoidable. I hope you like the content and do consider dropping your comments below. Till then, stay safe and drive safe. Jai Hind.